Hi guys, so today I'll explain you about how we can add disk to Azure VM. So for that again you will be needing one virtual machine in your subscription to which you want to add the disk. So I already created one VM in my subscription, so that is ABCD I have created for this demo. So if you guys are not aware like how to create a VM, so for that also I have created one video. You can check my playlist and you can watch that video and create a VM and then come back and see this video. So currently I have created this VM, but again if you will check the disk, right, so whatever disk it comes with OS, that only I am having with this, that is of 30 GB. So currently I am not having any disk, and also I will show you in that VM also what all things I am having in this VM. So I'll just log into the VM with the help of this cloud shell and public IP of the VM, and then we'll show you that like what is currently and what we are going to get after this demo. So to log into that VM, we can do SSH from Cloud Shell, as we already have a public IP to this VM. So I'll just do that SSH, and then I'll show you like currently what we are having. Yeah, so I'm successfully able to log in here. Yeah, so as you can see, we have this 30 GB of disk, and we are not having any external disk as of now, and this is mounted to our root directory, right? So now what we will do is like we will create one storage account, and then we'll create one container, and then we'll attach that disk to this VM, right? So this is our OS disk. So now we are going to create a disk, and then we are going to attach. So here we have two ways to do that. One is like if you have already created some disk and you want to attach that disk, then you can click on this attach at existing disk, and then here you can just select the disk. But currently I'm not having any disk, so I'm not seeing anything in this drop down. So what I'll do is like I'll just create a disk, and then I'll do that, right? So here I am having, so I'll just give that read write permission, and maybe I'll just create a disk of size some 10 GB, right? So here like I have given all the properties here. It will directly get attached to this, and then I'll just click on this save button, right? So okay, the disk name also I need to give. Yeah. So I have given the disk name. I just clicked on this save button, and now it is getting saved, right? So once I am done with this, then see, it created one disk, and now it is updating to the virtual machine. So indirectly what is happening, it is going to that storage account, it is creating that disk, and then it is attaching to this VMs. But here what we are doing is we are directly doing both the step with single tap, that is create and attach a new disk, right? So now I think everything is successful. It created a disk, and then it updated a virtual machine, right? So now if we'll again go to this VM, and if again we will run this command to check a disk, here you will be able to see that 16 GB disk is available now, right? That's what we have given here. Sorry, it is 10 GB. Sorry, I just is that. So it is 10 GB of disk we have added, right? So now we can mount this disk to any location, and then you can make use of that disk in your virtual machine. So this is how we can add a disk to our virtual machine, and then we can do that. We can make use of that disk in our virtual machine. So for today, that's all about adding that disk and seeing in that virtual machine. So that is how you can add the disk. For more details, I'll create more video on this disk encryption and all. So if you need that video, please comment in this video. I'll make sure I am creating all the videos whatever you guys are requesting in a comment section. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.